In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Google Docs. Whether you're crafting a professional document or working on a personal project, knowing how to format your text properly is an essential skill. Centering text is a straightforward process in Google Docs, and today I'll guide you through it step by step. So grab your computer and let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you usually use. Once you've got that open, navigate to the Google Docs website. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your Google account credentials so you can access all your saved documents or start a new one. Now that you're in Google Docs, you have two options depending on your needs. If you have an existing document that you want to modify, go ahead and open that up. Otherwise, if you're starting from scratch, click on the option to create a blank document. Both options will eventually lead to the same result, so choose what's most convenient for you. Next, once your document is open and ready, type in the text you want to center. This could be a title, a header, or even a paragraph you've been working on. Take a moment to ensure that everything is typed correctly and that you're happy with the content as it is. Once you've got your text there, we're ready for the next step. Look towards the top of your document. This is where you'll find the toolbar filled with icons and options to customize your document. We're interested in the alignment option, so keep an eye out for the alignment section. It usually appears as a small set of lines resembling text alignment options or a section with various alignment symbols. Now here's the simple yet crucial step. In the toolbar, you'll find an icon that looks like several horizontal lines stacked evenly in the center. This icon represents the center align option. It's usually located near the beginning or the middle of the toolbar, depending on your browser's layout and screen size. Once you locate it, give that icon a click. There you have it. Your text should shift smoothly from left aligned to centered on your page. Now take a moment to scan your document to ensure everything appears just as you want it. You can apply the same technique to different parts of your document as needed, making it easy to maintain a consistent and professional look throughout your work. That's it. You've successfully centered your text in Google Docs, adding a polished touch to your document. This technique is handy for creating well-organized and visually appealing documents, and now you can do it with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and happy writing!